As the storm continued, the true scale of the disaster became tragically clear, leaving nothing but this isolated structure.
Okay, easy now. We've got the pigs and goats secure. Let's start moving them one by one.
Hold on back there. We're taking on water. I can't hold her steady.
The storm surge is unprecedented. The flock huddles together as the waves threaten to tear the very roof from the structure.
Steady on the helm, maintain speed. Roger that, moving into position now.
Maintaining safety meant pushing the outboard motor to its absolute limit against the relentless current.
As darkness falls, the scale of the flood becomes tragically clear. These light points are the coordinated.
Witness serves with the second assault in the Bassinate Bury Band. Witness it serves Church Strong Rogo.
We need to shift left now. The current is too strong. Got it. Secure that line.
Did you see that movement near the roof access? Where?
Where? Keep steady, I'll check the thermal.
Shh, don't cry, little one. We are safe here for now.
Be careful, the current is getting stronger.
We need to secure that line now. Copy that. Moving into position. Over.
As the floodwaters surge through the village, even the largest animals are unable to withstand the force of the current. The sheer force of the water pulverized the concrete structure, unleashing a torrent that reshaped the valley in an instant.
The rain begins to subside, but the water remains dangerous.
Help! We need help up here!
Is anyone coming?
Help us! Someone please help us!
We are stuck here on the roof.
Watch the depth here, it's getting shallow.
Still nothing up top. We should check that apartment window.
Help us! We are on the roof!
Is anybody on the second floor?
Rescue! Make noise if you are inside.
Watch the starboard side, coming up on that fence.
See it. I see it. Hold steady.
Keep your heads down. We're almost out of the main current.
Sector Gamma, report status. Still sweeping, negative contact, over.
The water levels rose with unprecedented speed, completely engulfing the lower floors and leaving thousands displaced.
Precariously balanced on the slick metal roof, the goats struggle to maintain their footing against the heavy rain.
As evening turns to night, the water continues its relentless rise, leaving the livestock vulnerable to the cold.
The scale of the disaster is unprecedented. As the drone ascends, the true isolation of the
A sudden crack of lightning illuminates the endless churning waves, a stark reminder of nature's raw power.